survive what's coming, we need to know how we got here. It began with one man, Raul Menendez, a Nicaraguan arms dealer turned populist leader. His personal vendetta against the United States, unleashed through cyber warfare and global propaganda, sparked a second Cold War. The mission to bring him down spanned 2 generations. A job that began with CIA operative Alex Mason in the mid-'80s, leading to his death in 1989. The hunt continued in 2025 with his son, Commander David Mason. With the help of Frank Woods, the man who raised him after his father's death, David eventually stopped Menendez's plot to hijack America's drone fleet. But the damage was done. Menendez's supporters only grew stronger. Infrastructure collapsed, causing widespread chaos and distrust on a global stage. And out of the storm, new powers emerged. At the top of the list, the Guild, a former crime syndicate based in the Mediterranean city of Avalon that evolved into a global tech giant led by new CEO Emma Kagan. They vowed to bring humanity back from the brink, inspiring millions with the promise of peace. As the world still reels from these events, David continues to fight alongside trusted allies. David draws strength from legends who came before him, like Commanding Officer Colonel Troy Marshall, who once crossed paths with the Guild during their criminal years. Now his focus lies solely on the future. But in the world of Black Ops, the past never dies, and every action has its consequences.